Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks helps you and your employees fill out and complete I-9 forms to confirm an employee's eligibility for employment. Let's go over how to invite a new employee to submit their I-9 and how you can retrieve it in QuickBooks. Select Payroll, Employees, then select Add an Employee. Enter basic information about the employee, like their name, email address, and hire date. To invite employees to fill out their own I-9, you must select these two options. The first option invites the employee to set up their tax and banking information in QuickBooks Workforce. The second option invites the employee to fill out an I-9 to verify their employment eligibility during that setup. Select Add Employee to add them to your employees list and invite them to fill out their info. Your new employee receives an email inviting them to QuickBooks Workforce, where they can enter their information. First, they'll enter personal information, like their address, birth date, and other info. Then they'll fill in information about their employment eligibility. First, they choose their status as a citizen, permanent resident, or non-citizen. Based on their selection, you'll see more information to enter. Next, your employee receives a message about what documents they need to present to you within their first 3 days of work. The employee will fill in the rest of their information, and at the end of the self-setup, they'll select whether they completed the form themselves or used a preparer or translator. They can select View Form I-9 to see the completed I-9 PDF QuickBooks will create from their info. If everything is correct, they sign their name and check a final checkbox confirming their information. Last, they'll select Sign and Send. This submits their info to your records in QuickBooks. When an employee completes their I-9, you'll receive an email. You'll see the submitted form on your to-do list. Select Go. From here, you enter information about the documents your employee provided. Select the document they supplied, and any information related to it. If you want to keep an image of the document in QuickBooks, drag and drop it into this box. Select Review and Sign. Enter your information and information about your company. Then sign your name, and check this box to attest to the accuracy of what you're submitting. If you're completing the I-9 more than 3 days after the employee's hire date, you'll need to enter an explanation for why you're submitting this form late, and then sign your name again. Select Sign. Now you can see the employee's I-9 at any time in their Documents tab. Now you're ready to invite employees to fill out their own I-9s and retrieve them in QuickBooks.